Super fresh at hot off the press. Artista update para sa inyong mga beshi.
Grabe, hindi pa rin makapaniwala si Kim Chiu na nominated siya sa Content Asia Awards. Sa kanyang sobrang pasasalamat, nagbigay siya ng heartwarming message sa buong Linlang family, Dream Escape family, at syempre, hindi niya nakalimutan si Sir Deo na kakapano lang. Sobrang thankful si Kim sa tiwalang binigay ni Sir Deo at sa role niya sa Linlang. Talagang hindi nakakalimot si Kim sa mga taong sumuporta at nagbigay ng tiwala sa kanya. At ito nga ang mensahe ni Kimi. I woke up today with a grateful heart, I mean, every day naman grateful. Pero this morning hits different by Taylor Swift. Kidding aside, I still can't believe that Juliana Luwalhati made ito to Content Asia Awards 2024. Like hala, Team Ud, makahilak tag lansang ani oy. Being nominated as a Philippines representative under ABS-CBN Dreamscape Entertainment alongside other actresses from different countries makes me a winner already. 77 jurors if I am correct watched Linlang. And it made me proud and happy. Thank you Content Asia Awards for this recognition. Thank you to the entire Linlang team from Art Crit Ives, Directors Direk at Direk FM Reyes, Direk Jojo, salamat po ng sobra. To all the staff and crew, maraming salamat po. To my co-stars, thank you so much. To Sylvia Kyla Estrada, congrats on your nomination as well. I am incredibly grateful for my mother network, ABS-CBN. To my Dreamscape family, and lastly, I am forever thankful to Sir Deo, you made me do this role. This is for you, all for you. Mahirap daw manalo dito kaya nominated palang feeling ko nanalo na ako. Thank you so much.